Okay guys, here's the weekly garden update. So we're gonna walk through here and show you what we got, and a few of the new things that we've picked up and some of the things that we've had problems with. Well, this is a row of taters here. As you can see, there are a few missing spots in there where the taters didn't come up. They're actually up, but they're not growing. So see there, we got some sprout there. There's some sprout there. They just haven't come on up for some reason, but they're there. We got 2 rows of onions over here, and they're doing good. Like I said, we're going to add some straw to these potatoes probably today. Here's some more. Spots look bare, but there are taters growing. Down here looking really good. Now, take in mind, guys, I know a lot of y'all out there got bigger gardens, bigger plants further along. Just about probably 6 months ago, this spot looked like that right there. And I haven't done a lot of special stuff to this dirt out here. I have added some compost, some rabbit manure, chicken manure, cow manure, stuff that I can get naturally and locally. I don't depend on Miracle Grow or fertilizers, stuff like that, store-bought stuff. You need the ground to provide for you, because you may not be able to get all of that special stuff. Now, we do use some in our raised beds down there. You can see I got some Miracle Grow, but most of this garden out here is just compost and natural fertilizers. And this is a row of peppers, and we have many different kinds of peppers, from habanero to ghost, jalapeno. We've got some jalapenos over there. It's a jalapeno taste that is not hot. We've got eggplants here. We've got squash down here. We've got some squash over there. Those are beans. That's a whole row of tomatoes. We're going to be adding a few cages. Not all tomatoes need cages, but we're going to be adding some cages. Zucchinis, more peppers. And you see the difference in basically store-bought, winter raised, greenhouse pepper plant that you buy versus seedling, starting your own in the ground kind of stuff. Kale is looking really good. I don't know how long that's going to last in the Texas heat, but again, more tomatoes. These are beans. These are some peppers that we bought. Those are the jalapenos. I've never seen them before, so we did grab some of those. You can see it's a jalapeno, and it's supposed to have the jalapeno taste without the jalapeno heat. So here's our okra here, and actually got a couple of scorpion peppers as well. I had never seen those. I've heard of them, but never seen them available to grow. So we're going to try and grow a couple of scorpion peppers. Here's the corn that the chickens got a hold of, and some that we also planted. This is corn over here. There are some watermelons and cantaloupes. It is bok choy down there, I believe. Baby bok choy. I've never tried to grow that here, but we had a little fruit stand that had it available, so we got some. And broccoli. These are all herbs and spices on both of these two rows right here. This is the spicy oregano, some spearmint, some peppermint, cilantro. There is some basil, and a couple more spearmints over here, and not sure what this is here. Magnorum. Majorum. I don't know what it is, but we tried it. Majorum. So a few of the herbs I didn't have seeds for, so anything that's off that I can't find that we don't have seeds for, we try and get. But that's a look at the garden. Now let me go down here and show you the other trees that we got. Well, I've seen all the citrus, grapefruits, oranges. Those are what's going to be going in the greenhouse. Raspberries. The asparagus are coming along really good. You don't cut any of this the first year. That half over there was planted too. But, oh, it looks like we got one coming up here in the back. So I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but right. I don't know where my finger is. Right there. A little asparagus coming up. So maybe some late bloomers in there. But you don't do anything to it the first year. Just let it grow. Raspberries. Blueberry bushes aren't doing too good. These are the lemons. Again, these are waiting for the greenhouse. They'll be going in the greenhouse. There is the berry bush, elderberry bushes that we got. I don't know how well they're going to do back here. They like a lot of water. These are pecans that we grew from pecans. We got to transplant these out here. I don't know if I'm going to put these out here or over to our RV place. These are some peaches and plums that we just picked up. A little peach tree here, a little plum tree here. And both of them actually have some, you can see it there, have a little peach on it. I think this one had a little plum on it there. If you can see it. Under there, under that leaf. Little plum, little focus. But plums and peaches. That's a sweet potato. It's a different project I got going on. We got this container over here, an old tire. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in it yet. So that's the update week from the garden, guys. Please tune in to MB Heritage's. Are you done, Rooster? Tune in to MB Heritage's. We're going to have a curling contest. MB Heritage's hashtag garden gurus for garden information, tips and tricks. And if you want to be part of the Texas Garden Club, you're in Texas, you want to upload videos to be part of that, it's hashtag Texas Garden Club. So garden guru, hashtag garden gurus, and hashtag Texas Garden Club. Sorry for the chickens. Alright guys, thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that thumbs up, it helps. Doesn't cost you anything.